Hey ladies, how you doing? Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, yes. That's W Rich right there, bro. Selena, why don't you run her back? No, run her back. Why you wide receiver? Why you wide receiver? You like the fastest on your team. Sahel, redemption. I caught that in video too. I can't cut it. It's embarrassing, bro. Again!
Good job, Pancho! Hey, good job, cameraman. You own it.
Yeah. Hey, wrong team, the wrong team.
Cameraman.
Send me that.
Yeah, I'm on the wrong team. I'm on the Bills. Yeah, that's embarrassing. I gotta record the play. Even if it's not my team. Yeah. Thank you. Again? Come on, Martin. Hey, y'all good? What the? Come on, give him a chance, but they're losing. Ah, yeah, you're right. Oh, damn. Dun, 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 dun.